finally conclude this training for us, right? Doctor, are you on the call? Please show a reaction, show a reaction. This guy is someone that brought me personally into this community. Madam Ezenwa came, we're all under him as far as Africa is concerned. Dr. Favor Sunano, please, let's show a reaction, give a sign of love,
You're welcome,
on your
sir.
chat right now to Dr. Favor.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And
you are welcome.
oh, super excited, super fan.
You're welcome. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Matthew, for this incredible call. Thank you, Madam mexc, for this incredible call, and all the leaders right here in this call. I'm so excited to be part of this call tonight, and I'm very sure loads of information have been downloaded. Loads of information have been downloaded. Okay, and I'm going to be quickly try to claim. Okay, 1 minute.
Okay, just hold on. 1 moment, Doctor. All right, sir.
Thank you. All right, so I'm going to be showing us how this thing works and how you can actually, how does this thing work? All you need is to convert your local currency into another type of currency called Ultima, and freeze it in your phone to collect, just like you heard Mr. Matthew and Madam mexc said, to collect your car. Your car is processed within 8 to 12 weeks. And before that time, every single day, you are already in money on a daily basis for the money that you have spent to buy your car, to pay for your grocery, pay for that laptop you want to buy on the market, umarket.com, to pay for whatever it is, anything that you need to shop on the site. You pay with it. It doesn't have to be hundreds or thousands of dollars. From $1,000, $2,000, $500 things, stuff. When the full market is open, you can get those things online. But before then, in this month of November, you want to make that money. And how do you do that? You freeze your token for 12 months. You freeze your token for what? For 12 months. And every single day, you start earning. I know that just because you froze your token for 12 months, you get free booster split. Pay attention. That is the most important part. This booster split pays you every single day for the next 12 months, thereabouts, plus or minus. You are not even investing any money in the real sense of the word. You are just saving your money in a special wallet called Smart Wallet for 12 months, and you are able to earn every single day for the entire 12-month period. Now, let me share my screen briefly. Okay, so this is a wallet. Now there's a lot of splits. The word for split is also the word for share, digital share, in this particular wallet. Now, this is Booster Split 2.0. In this booster split, you will see I've already claimed the reward on this wallet. I just want to show you. I only bought some amount of what? And I didn't buy anything actually. I froze some Ultima tokens for 12 months. And I was given booster split, 1.125 booster split, which is worth what? $26,000 free. Free, absolutely free. Now, how much token did I freeze? $26,000 by 5. That gives you a picture of how much token or how much Ultima token I froze. $26,000 divided by what? 5. I froze $5,200 worth of tokens. And I got 5 times the amount I froze as a reward in booster splits. Currently, the percentage are now, what did I make from this? I froze what? Don't forget. I froze $5,200 worth of Ultima, and I was given $26,000 worth of booster shares. That is 5 times, which is 500%. Right now, the percentage have dropped to what? 450%. Next weekend, it will drop to 400%. And these are free tokens that pays me every single day. And I can decide to sell it also when it's listed on the exchange. Now, let's see how much I collected today from this. Today, I collected $53 from this booster. And I'm waiting to collect another money. You can see it's counting down. 10 hours, 42 minutes from now, it will pay me about, depending on how many, the one of the price and everything, I'm expecting like $40-something by tomorrow. Can you see that? You see the timing? I've already collected $53 today. Tomorrow, in the next 11 hours from now, I'm due for another payment. It's not, I'm just getting my shares. And this is going to pay us very, very well. Now, let me open a wallet that has other shares, not booster now. Now, business split. This is another split that you should pay attention to, especially if you want to go diamond. When you refer somebody to join this business, it depends on your rank, you get commissions 40%. You get 40% as reward. If you have anything to do with marketing, this is the biggest opportunity for you marketing. Imagine you referring somebody that does $10,000 package that freezes Ultima worth $10,000. You have made $4,000 cash as a reward. Now, let me claim my reward for this one. I click on splitting. Can you see how much I'm claiming there now? $82. I will still claim tomorrow. I click claim reward.
Wow.
That's right, Madam Messi. That's it. For just one split.
Wow.
So if you put in the work, this split will pay me for life. Put in the work. There's no say I can't talk. I don't have to talk. Once you join this business, look for people to bring in because your money is in their pocket. 40% is your portion in the land of the living. So it's no longer time to, I'm just trying. You have to make it happen. Can you see there? And I can convert this thing to Naira as we are talking now. It's $2. I go again. I check for another coin. Look at my booster shares. The first booster they give us. You see? I got booster here. This booster is worth what? 14,400. It's free. That's the first one. I go there, I claim. Because this one, the reward, it has dropped from 5 Ultima per day to 1. I'm only claiming $2 today. But it's $2 money. Because it's free money. That is how it works. Every day, you just claim your reward. Now, let's see if I have other splits in this wallet. Oh, I have booster 2.0 here. Okay, nice. This is cool. Can you see that? This is booster 2.0. I didn't even know I have booster 2.0 here. I click on this, and I have $1.84 there waiting for me. How many booster? 0.04. Small booster. Free. I claim. In today's economy, $1 is serious money. And it's passive, lifetime. Click OK. You go there. So that is how I just keep checking. Look at Royal Split. This is from, it's also, most of the splits we have here, they are airdrop splits, so to speak. Click. I have $1.51 there too. I click. So guys, I want to encourage you, don't just join the business, be part of the soldiers of this business. So that this month of November, you will make the biggest money that you have not made in cryptocurrency, even in network marketing. Don't just join the business, become an ambassador of the business in your own area, so that you can smile. Don't just say, I want to try. Give it, go beyond try, make it happen. And don't think you want to do it later. Do it now. This night, call people. Have you seen a wallet that all you need to do is to convert your money to that wallet, and the wallet pays you every day? Call everybody callable. Now, this is the Ultima. I'm getting $7.98 today. So, my friends, if you are watching this for the first time, don't sleep anyhow this night. Reason and think of how to earn dollar daily in Africa, anywhere you are in the world. How to earn passive income. Warren Buffett said, if you don't know how to make money while you sleep, you will work till you die. And it's a curse to work till you die.
God forbid.
God forbid. That was the right response. So we find a way to earn passive income. You build it. Yes, you may not start at one. You can start wherever you are, but you can build it. And the veritable tool to build it is through marketing. So from today now, I've earned what? $96 from this wallet. $96 from this wallet. If you do mathematics, let's see what is $96 in today's exchange rate. $96 multiplied by 1,750. 168,000 naira times 30. That is 5 million naira. Anybody, any 5 million naira in today's Nigeria is not, I think you can manage.
Wow.
That is 12. That is 60 million in a year. And this is just year one. It continues to pay. There's no limit, no ending. So you make this for 10 years. That's 600 million. 20 years. That's 1.2 billion.